In a world where accidents happen without warning, choosing the right auto insurance can make all the difference. At the Ballentine Agency, we understand that your car is more than just a means of transportation. It's an essential part of your daily life, and you rely on it to keep your family safe and secure. That's why we're committed to providing you with the best auto insurance coverage and service possible. Our experienced agents take the time to understand your unique needs and help you choose a policy that fits your budget. But our commitment to you doesn't end there. In the event of an accident, our claims team is available 24/7 to guide you through the process and help you get back on the road as soon as possible. So why choose Ballentine Insurance Group for your auto insurance needs? Because we're not just another insurance agency. We're a partner who's committed to protecting what matters most to you. We know that choosing the right insurance can be a daunting task, but we're here to make it easy and stress-free for you. Our licensed agents are ready and available to provide you with a personalized quote that fits your unique needs and budget. So whether you're a speed demon or a cautious driver, we've got you covered. From liability coverage to comprehensive plans, we've got the goods that'll keep you cruising with confidence. Thank you again for considering Ballentine Insurance Group for your insurance needs. We can't wait to help you hit the road with peace of mind and style.